Welcome to Healing Forward, a space where real conversations create real transformation. This channel is dedicated to moving forward with intention. My name is Barbara La Pointe, and I am your guide and your host. I'm a certified life coach, media host, and entrepreneur. In fact, I've coached women through some of the most difficult moments of their lives, and I'm curious. I'm curious how people overcome. So, here you can expect on our YouTube channel and within our community to find heartfelt, compassionate author interviews, moments with true thought leaders, and transformational alchemy with individuals that have overcome the most difficult circumstances. They have chosen to rise, and so can you. Subscribe to our community, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and join our community specifically for women on Facebook. It's called Healing Forward. It's a group of 10,000 women and growing every single day. So subscribe there, subscribe here. And if you're an expert or have overcome something, maybe you'd like to reach out and be featured on our channel, email me at barbaralapointe@gmail.com. I am truly so honored that you're here. And I can't wait to see how we're going to show up together, how we're going to move forward together with intention in this brave new world.